Hello and welcome to our new Workspace Sync feature demonstration. The Workspace Sync is part of Repeato 1.9, has just been released, and you will find this new module in the main menu here. Well, just for those who don't know what a workspace is very similar to a project. You can have several different projects and each of them lives in its own directory. Repeato saves all the data in open formats to that folder. You can see that advanced configuration lives in here, and tags also have been moved from the settings into this module because each project can have its own tags and also its own advanced configuration. To invite some other team members, we first need to enable the Cloud Sync. And that's gonna prompt us to click a couple of checkboxes. Here I make extra sure that all my data is backed up. We don't want to lose anything. Here we communicate to the user that by enabling this checkbox, the data is going to be uploaded to the cloud. And last but not least, there is a workspace name field. And we're just going to call this Stefan's workspace and enable it. So as soon as I enabled it, it synced my data to the cloud very quickly in this case. There is not much. I got 4 tests here. And then I can add some team members. Let's invite Katharina and maybe also this app. So next, those people we invited, they will get a notification. And from that point on, if they open Repeato Studio, they can also go to Workspace and switch Workspace, and they will find the workspace listed in here. Maybe a bit more about this dialog. It gives you an overview of all the current projects. There is a link if you want to delete workspaces from the cloud or manage them in some way. And it's also possible always to create a new workspace. Repeato makes sure that tests are not edited at the same time, so data stays consistent. For example, if another user is editing a certain test, an icon will show up in the library like this. One more thing that is good to know is that Repeato syncs all your data in your workspace. So you can open this folder in your file browser and just copy documents that you need for testing or scripts and so on to that folder, and it's going to be synced automatically with your team colleagues. Down here you will find a log that will show you chronologically which changes have been made in the workspace.